Hey everyone, welcome to Sanketik live classes. Uh, Today in this class, we are going to discuss about what is Python, who invented the Python, when it was invented, when it was available to the public. Okay, by the end of this class, you are able to learn about all this, like what is Python, who invented, when it was available to the public, what is the current version, what is the origin of Python. Okay, today we are going to learn all these topics. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start our today's session. So today's topic is Python. So Python. First of all, what is Python? Uh, in general, what is the meaning of Python? I'm not asking about this programming language or software. Just I'm asking a general meaning. In general, what is the meaning of Python? Uh, Python means snake, right? Okay, in general words, Python means snake only. I will show you. Before Python language was introduced, if you ask someone that what is Python, then they will say that Python is a snake. Okay, Python is a snake. But after introduction of Python, when you ask someone about what is Python, and they replied that Python is an programming language. Python is an programming or scripting language. Now I want to show you what is Python. So it's only Python means snake only, right? Okay. Uh, and who invented the Python? Who invented Python? Was invented by Guido van Rossum. Python was invented by Guido van Rossum. Now I'm writing the notes here for every topic which are going to cover in our day-to-day sessions. I will write the notes also, and I will send it to you. Okay, after registration. Okay, I will send it to you the notes. No need to write the notes in class. You have to concentrate on only on what I am saying, and if you have any doubts regarding the session, you can ask. Okay, so first of all, Python was introduced by Python was introduced by Godo van Drossum. He is the reason behind this Python language. Godo van Drossum. Okay. When it was invented in 1989. It was introduced in 1989. Okay. Then what is the origin of this Python? What is the origin of this Python? Origin means from which language he had taken. Okay, he has developed this language. Which For which type of language he had taken help from to develop this language. So he had developed this language by taking some previous scripting languages called ABC scripting language and C language. ABC scripting language and C language. It was developed from ABC scripting language and C language. First of all, everybody who are coming from the engineering background, they will first which language they will learn? They will learn first C language only, right? They will learn in the first year. They will learn C language. Okay. Who are coming from degree or any other courses? Of course, most of them learn first C language only, right? Most of them learn first C language only. Later, depends upon the requirement, they will learn other languages. They will learn other languages. Okay. And for C and this Python, there is no need to there is no need any prerequisites. Okay, there is no need any prerequisites. That means there is no need to uh, learn any programming language before proceeding into Python. You can directly learn Python from scratch. Okay, there is no need to learn any other language before Python. Okay, so okay, it was developed from which language? First one, ABC scripting language. ABC scripting language and C language. Okay. From these two languages, he developed Python programming language. Uh, I want to write here. From ABC scripting language, just for understanding purpose only, I am writing here. Okay. He developed one language called Python language or Python programming language. Python programming language. Okay. And why the name, why he had taken that name Python? Okay. What is the reason behind this Python name? First of all, if you want to learn this, first you need to learn who invented the Python, who introduced the Python. I will show you. Here it was introduced by Goda van Rossum in 1989. So I want to show that here. Python was developed by who is him? Goda van Rossum. So first of all, I want to clear this one. Okay, Goda van Rossum. He developed the language. Okay, so and why he had named that programming language as Python is actually he's is a seeing one of his favorite show like Monty's Python Flying Circus. Monty's Python Flying Circus. So from that circus, he had taken some name like Python. Then he kept that name for his own programming language called Python. Okay, now I want to show that circus name also. See here. This is the circus. Okay, this is the famous circus name which he is watching. Who? That God of Vandrasam. Okay, from this name, he had taken the name and he had given. Okay, it is an famous circus show. It is an famous circus show. Okay, and it was developed in which year? 1989, and available to public is in which from which year it was available to public? In 1991. Available to public from 1991. First he has to develop, then only he can release. Okay, so for developing and releasing, it will take some time, right? So he had taken that time from 1989 to 1991. He has taken to complete the step, or to complete the developing Python language. Okay, so available to public from 1991. Okay, and what is the current version of Python? It may be 3.1, 3.1. Yeah, I will show you 3. So if you want to know that, then you can search like if you search like this, you will show the current version 3.1, 3.1 as I know, as of my knowledge. Yeah, 3.1, 3.2. Okay, latest released 3.1, 3.2. This is the latest version of Python. You can download it from here only. I will show the installation steps also in our upcoming classes. Okay, it is a very easy and simple setup. Okay, and um, since we know that what is Python, who invented Python, and when it was available to public. Okay, and the origin of Python is from ABC scripting language and C language. Okay, now why we are learning Python? First of all, we had to know about what is the reason to learn Python. So for learning Python, most of them, why they came to learn Python? Because of we want job. We want job. It's an big goal only, right? It's a big goal only. So for getting job, we need to learn Python. For getting job, we need to learn only Python. No, we can learn Java, C, or any other scripting languages, .NET, Oracle. Okay, so we can learn all these languages. But why we are focusing on Python instead of all other languages like Java, C, .NET, or any other? Because first of all, why they choose Python is it is the simple and easy language in the present scenario. Okay, it was simple and easy language for learning purpose and for developing, for execution also. If everyone can, who has who don't know about any programming knowledge, who don't know about coding, they can also learn Python very easily. They can also learn Python very easily. Why? Because the syntax of this Python is very easy. Syntax of this Python is very easy. Everyone can understand. Okay, and okay, it is easy First of all, it is very easy language. Okay, but if you learn Python because of it's easy, um, but there is no jobs on Python, then is it worthwhile to learn Python? You came for Python because of it's easy, but there is no jobs. Then is it worth to learn Python? No, right? Because we want job also. We need to why we are learning for getting job only, right? Okay, so first it is having more demand. Okay, more demand. You can search in Google like trending scripting languages. Here I am searching most or popular programming languages. Most popular programming languages. So here, give me a minute. First one, which language is popular? Python. Here it is showing. Just wait. So see here, most demandable, the top one rank, which is given for only Python, then C++, then Java. Okay, rating also very high, 23.85%. Okay, so we found the two reasons for learning Python. First one is easy. Second one is because of its job opportunities and top most wanted languages. As I have shown you, that is practically. Okay, of course we are having these many languages also. See here, COBOL. COBOL is the last 20th rank he has given. Okay, what is COBOL? COBOL is also a programming language. But why we are not learning COBOL? Now no one will know or no one show interest to learn COBOL because it was very popular and it was also a best programming language, but not now. Uh, it was used by the one of the famous company. Of course, that company is using that COBOL language now also, but the reason behind no one is showing interest is the only company using that COBOL languages, IBM frame, IBM mainframes. The other companies are migrated to Python, Java, R, some more other languages. But these IBM mainframes are focusing on COBOL only because, of course, they are also not hiring the COBOL language learners because why it is running the COBOL or why it is using COBOL as a programming language is since it is using from the starting of the company. Okay, and the employees are very they are unable to migrate to another language, and it has some special features in COBOL. That's why they are using only that COBOL language till now. But for remaining aspects and for upcoming projects, they are using Python and Java or other languages only. Okay, so which language COBOL is using? I mean, which company the COBOL is using? IBM mainframes. Hence, we all know about IBM. It is very popular. Okay, it is very popular company. IBM mainframes. Nowadays, so many companies came, but it was the famous company from olden days. Mainframes. Okay, now Just for understanding purpose, I'm writing everything in notes. Okay. Next. Uh, okay, COBOL is using by only IBM. So why we are learning Python? Easy and most of the jobs. And what kind of jobs are in Python? Okay, what kind of jobs are in Python? First of all, why it was popular? What is main? What is the more in old technology or old programming languages? Python only. First of all, Python only introduced, and then Java. Okay, but Java is popular than Python in earlier in olden days. Okay, Java is more popular than Python in olden days, but nowadays Python is very popular than Java. Nowadays everyone wants to learn Python and get the job, because most of the companies are asking for Python language only. Why? Because Java is not completely an open source language. Okay, Java is completely not an open source language, but Python is open source language and there is no license, and there is no license for installing and downloading for Python. So, if you are getting the thing easily without paying any single rupee, then and it is having very easy, and it is giving more flexibility to you. Then, which one do you choose? Either you will go for purchased version or free version. Everybody wants to use free version only, not only for free, but also for its features and flexibility, but also for its features and flexibility. Of course, if your language is giving us free only, when without having any registration or any license, you can use any other language, some of the languages, but there is no flexibility, there is no proper understanding. You need to learn more scripting, and if you want to know write more code, having thousands of code of lines, and there is no popular particular output for that language, then are you able to learn or are you able to choose that language? No, right? You are choosing this language because of its free and open source and flexibility, and because of its features and because of its extended libraries. Okay, extensible libraries. I will tell you about these extensible libraries and all in our upcoming session. Okay, this is the starting session, right? First day, right? So I'm not going in depth that much. Okay, so uh, after coming to uh, data science and AI into picture, data science and AI into picture, then the Python was came into picture and it was very popular. Okay, because other language may not gives that much support to data science and AI. Data science and AI. Sorry. Okay, and another one, the Python is very popular because of these two technologies. First one is data science and AI. Most of them data science and AI developers will use Python only. That's why it was popular from 2008 onwards. Okay, from 2008 onwards. Before that year, Java is popular. Okay, and what are in which kind of fields we will get the job on Python? Okay, in which kind of fields? First one is, now I'm going to write the different kinds of fields which are going to use the Python language by or Python jobs by Python. First one, data analytics. Wait. Okay, now okay. First one is data science or data analytics. Data analytics. Second one, automation testing. Most of the automation testing jobs are in Python only. Automation testing. Automation testers which we use which language? Selenium, right? Selenium. And second thing is third one is web applications like full stack. Okay, web application development. For web application, we need to learn Python. Not only with Python, we need to learn other languages also like HTML, CSS, Java, JavaScript. Okay, then only you will become a full stack web developer. And gaming apps. Next one, DevOps, development and operations. Next, AWS, Amazon Web Services. It is the cloud technology. We are having Google cloud technology also, but most of them are using uh, Amazon only. I mean, Amazon Web Services. It is the Amazon product. Okay, and React JS. Sorry, data science and AI as we point out here. Okay, these are the jobs which are these are the technologies which are using Python as its programming language. Okay, of course they will not only rely on Python. Of course, we need to learn some other languages also. I mean, not other languages, some extra feature from like SQL, some Linux. Okay, we need to first of all we need to have full knowledge on Python. Then we need to learn SQL or Linux or any other uh, language also. Okay, then only we will become good Python developer. Okay, because if you learn only Python, you may not get chance. I mean, if you are learning only Python and if you have only knowledge on Python and someone who is also coming for interview with you, but he has learned some other skills also like SQL or Linux or any other, then he is also having good knowledge on his skills set, but you are having only knowledge on only Python. Okay, but so company which one they prefer, they will prefer other members only. Okay, so you need to learn not only Python, you need to learn some other also. Okay, like Django or AWS or React.js or cloud technology, then only you will get, I mean, it is easy to get job on Python, for especially for experienced people. For freshers, you may rely on only with Python also, but there are less jobs in for freshers in Python. I mean, not only with Python, for freshers we don't have that much jobs, but you can get that kind of fresher jobs when you are in campus placements only, in your campus placements only. After getting outside, there is less number of chances for freshers, but for experience you will get more chances. Okay, and that Infosys, TCS will conduct a drives for freshers. You may get opportunities in that type of aspects also. Okay, um, so before closing out today's class, let's have brief idea about what we have learned today. Okay, what we have learned today. First of all, Python. Python. What is Python? Python is a programming language introduced by Godot van Rossum, and it was introduced in 1989 and available to public from 1991. And it was developed from which languages? First one is ABC scripting language, and second one is C language. Um, uh, we don't require this point, just for understanding purpose only. I have mentioned this one. Okay, and why Python? Why we are came for Python among all other scripting or other languages like Java or C, Ruby. Okay, I mean, okay. So why we are coming? Because of its easy learning and easy developing, easy execution, and it is having more number of job opportunities in these kind of technologies like data analytics, automation testing with Selenium, web applications, gaming applications, DevOps, AWS, React.js, data science, AI. Okay, um, if you have doubt in this particular session, then please comment below. If you like our content, please hit the like button, and uh, if you want to get latest updates from our uh, Sanketik Institute or Sanketik live classes, or upcoming sessions, then subscribe our channel. And for registration and for course details, you can contact the number which I have provided in the description of this class or description of this video. Okay, uh, and if you want to help others who are struggling to start their career in IT, then please share this video link with others in your social media. It is a indirect help from you for others to start their career in IT. Okay, I hope this class is very helpful for you too. Thanks for watching.